Choosing the right doors for your Little Rock home isn't just about style, it's about selecting doors that can withstand the area's unique weather conditions while providing comfort, security, and durability. From hot, humid summers to occasional storms and fluctuating temperatures, Little Rock's climate requires door materials and features that can handle it all. Here's how Little Rock's weather affects your door choices and what to consider when upgrading or replacing your home's doors. Hot, humid summers. Little Rock's summer weather is characterized by high temperatures and humidity, which can take a toll on certain door materials. The wrong choice can lead to warping, swelling, or fading over time. Best options for hot, humid conditions. Fiberglass doors. Resistant to warping, rotting, and swelling, fiberglass doors perform well in high humidity. They're also low maintenance and energy efficient. Steel doors. With proper insulation and coatings, steel doors can resist heat and remain durable in humid conditions. Vinyl doors. Perfect for patio or sliding doors, vinyl is resistant to moisture and does not warp or swell. These materials maintain their appearance and functionality even during the most humid months, ensuring long-lasting performance. Temperature fluctuations. Little Rock experiences seasonal temperature changes that can stress door materials. Expansion and contraction caused by these fluctuations can lead to cracks, gaps, or reduced energy efficiency. Features to consider. Insulated core doors. Doors with foam or polyurethane cores offer excellent thermal resistance, maintaining a consistent indoor temperature. Weatherproof seals. High-quality seals and gaskets prevent air leaks and ensure the door fits snugly, even as materials expand or contract. Composite frames. Composite materials are less prone to cracking and are designed to handle temperature changes without losing integrity. Choosing doors built to withstand temperature swings helps maintain energy efficiency and reduces long-term maintenance needs. Storm protection. Little Rock's weather includes occasional storms, heavy rains, and strong winds. These conditions require doors that are both sturdy and water-resistant to protect your home. Storm-ready features. Impact-resistant doors. Reinforced doors, such as hurricane-rated fiberglass or steel doors, can withstand strong winds and flying debris. Waterproof finishes. Protects the door's surface from moisture damage during heavy rains. Secure locks and hinges. Reinforced locking systems and heavy-duty hinges ensure the door remains stable during storms. Storm-resistant doors provide peace of mind by safeguarding your home against severe weather. Managing humidity and moisture. Humidity in Little Rock can cause certain materials to deteriorate over time, leading to issues like mold, rot, or swelling. Choosing doors with moisture-resistant properties is crucial. Best materials for humidity. Fiberglass. Impervious to moisture, fiberglass doors are a top choice for humid climates. Aluminum or vinyl cladding offers an extra layer of protection against moisture for wood core doors. Composite materials combine durability and moisture resistance for optimal performance. These materials ensure your doors stay in great condition, even during prolonged exposure to humid conditions. Enhancing energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is essential in Little Rock, where both summer cooling and winter heating can impact your utility bills. Doors designed for thermal performance keep your home comfortable year-round. Energy-efficient features. Double or triple glazing. Glass inserts with multiple panes and insulating gas reduce heat transfer. Low-E glass coatings. Reflect heat while allowing natural light, ideal for doors with large glass panels. Insulated doors. Core insulation minimizes energy loss and maintains indoor temperatures. Energy-efficient doors save money on energy bills and reduce your home's environmental impact. Sunlight and UV exposure. Little Rock's sunny days can cause door materials to fade or deteriorate over time. UV-resistant finishes and materials can protect your doors from sun damage. UV-resistant features. Fade-resistant coatings. Keep your doors looking new by preventing discoloration from prolonged sun exposure. Fiberglass and steel. Both materials resist UV damage better than wood, maintaining their appearance and durability. Tinted or laminated glass. Reduces the impact of UV rays on glass doors, protecting interiors from fading. These features help your doors stay beautiful and functional for years, even in sunny conditions. Durability and low maintenance. Weather-resistant doors not only stand up to Little Rock's climate but also require less upkeep, saving time and money in the long run. Low maintenance options. Fiberglass. Easy to clean, resistant to dents and scratches, and requires minimal upkeep. Vinyl. Ideal for sliding or patio doors, vinyl is durable and easy to maintain. Powder-coated aluminum. Offers a sleek, modern look while resisting rust and wear. Choosing low-maintenance doors ensures they remain functional and attractive with minimal effort. Customizing your door for Little Rock's weather. Every home is unique, and customizing your door ensures it meets your specific needs while complementing your home's style. Customization options. Weather stripping and seals. Enhance protection against drafts, moisture, and insects. Decorative glass. Add style without sacrificing energy efficiency or security. Storm doors. Provide an extra layer of insulation and protection during extreme weather. Tailoring your door to suit Little Rock's weather conditions and your preferences ensures optimal performance and aesthetics. Final thoughts. Little Rock's weather plays a significant role in determining the best door for your home. From managing humidity and temperature changes to withstanding storms and UV exposure, the right door can enhance your home's comfort, security, and energy efficiency. Partner with a trusted door professional in Little Rock to explore materials, designs, and features tailored to your home's needs. By choosing a door built for the local climate, you'll enjoy long-lasting performance and peace of mind for years to come.